fast.
Physical.
Awesome.
Exciting. It's just a cool boat.
Crazy.
Exciting.
Fun.
It's the best.
It's just exhilarating.
Bring it on.
For the America's Cup hype going on in San Francisco, it's going to be great to feel part of it on the water in the same place they're going to be racing.
What a place to sail. It's a unique spectacle for spectators, and it's a unique venue for sailors.
This is one of the storied events in laser sailing.
It's not about equipment, it doesn't drive itself, you got to make it go.
It's all about the athlete, you know. Everybody's got the same identical boat, but it comes down to who's the best sailor. Fun, simply fun.
The better shape you're in, the faster you're going to go.
You need to really come out here and practice being able to tack quickly in heavy breezes, and then the most important thing is to practice jibing, because your boat handling through the jibes is really critical.
It's challenging to maneuver, especially in tight conditions.
I call it a little, simple, complex boat. Tiny adjustments can make a big difference. The Laser is the purest sailing of man against man.
I think the slalom is all about people crashing and winning because you didn't crash and losing because you did.
You make even the slightest error in handling the boat, you pay for it.
I expect to be upside down a couple times today.
The Laser is the perfect boat for a slalom.
That's intense.
Wild, scary, and fun, and crashing and smashing, and the heartbeat will be pounding.
It's just a sweet event.
I'm quite keen on boat handling. Hopefully my boat handling will compensate for my weight.
You can't just like pull on the tiller and the boat turn the way you want it to.
You have to get used to sailing upwind and downwind.
Being able to participate this year is a check mark off my bucket list kind of a thing.
Difficult beast of a boat to sail in a tight course.
I hope to finish somewhere in the top 32. So.
I just built up a lot of adrenaline, and I was just really pumped. And I just took all that aggression and funneled it into the race.